In the picturesque town of Mutare, Zimbabwe, experts gathered to discuss a critical issue: biosafety and biosecurity. As the world grapples with emerging diseases and biological threats, Zimbabwe recognizes the importance of robust regulations to protect its people and environment.
Today, we begin a very important process of strengthening our legal framework to ensure the responsible and safe use of life sciences, protecting our animals, our community, and our environment.
The Zimbabwe Biosafety and Biosecurity Technical Working Group was established in September 2023 as a result of consultations from different stakeholders. The grouping is multi-sectoral. We have members from the animal health, human, environment, academia, even private partners are there. We have Africa CDC, FAO, ASLM. So many members are a part of this grouping, and we are still looking for more stakeholders to be a part of this, because we believe that biosafety and biosecurity cuts across many, many sectors.
As NBA, we are part of the Zimbabwe Biosafety and Biosecurity Technical Working Group. We are serving as the Secretariat and also as the co-chair for the Technical Working Group. As the National Biotechnology Authority, our role in biosafety and biosecurity is that we are ensuring that all people who are doing biotechnology work follow the regulations for biosafety and biosecurity. We are happy that this workshop on the review of the legal framework on biosafety and biosecurity is being conducted. Because as a technical working group, we noticed that our legislation is highly fragmented. We do have the legislation, which is a plus for us as Zimbabwe, but we need to coordinate so that there is effective implementation. And in some instances, we need to update our legislation so that we can be able to effectively manage the new advancements in technology development.
Biosafety refers to the practices and procedures that prevent the accidental release of biological agents, while biosecurity focuses on preventing intentional misuse.
We want to ensure that you, as an individual, your animals, as well as the community or in the environment in which you stay in, are safe. And then you can ask, safe from what? Safe from biological pathogens. Remember, in the laboratory, we are manipulating a number of pathogens, be they bacteria, be they viruses, be they protozoa. So we want to make sure that you are safe and you are not affected. And then in terms of biosecurity, we want to ensure that we keep those pathogens, that bacteria, those viruses, we want to keep them safe from abuse, misuse, or theft, because this can actually lead to bioterrorism if the pathogens get into the wrong hands. So we want to protect you as well as to safeguard the pathogen.
In laboratories, scientists work with pathogens like COVID-19, Ebola, and anthrax. Without proper safety protocols, these agents can pose significant risks to humans and the environment.
This laboratory was established together with the provincial offices. They started working in 1994. We are talking of more than 31 years ago. In terms of biosafety, we need to look into the sample handling from the source to the destination, the provincial laboratory. How are they preserved? Are they safe from the point of collection to arrival here for assessment?
A biosafety and biosecurity bill will provide numerous benefits, including enhanced public health protection, environmental safety, and national security.
It's going to assist in capacitation of the laboratories and strengthening the legal way on how the samples are going to be handled. There is need for training of personnel. We have got a lot of personnel, veterinary personnel out there who are not trained. Transportation also, there is need for a legal way on how to transport so that we don't contaminate the environment and contaminate the people who are carrying the samples also.
We receive samples from district hospitals to the center. We also refer isolates to National Reference Microbiology Lab. So between those phases of referral, the onus is on the driver to keep safe the material. If he decides to do anything otherwise, or if he's held at gunpoint, that area is lacking, maybe need an issue of, there are issues of biosecurity that are not being attended to correctly. So we might need to have such in place. Also, maybe have some legislation that covers across.
Legislation is currently there, but it's highly fragmented. You find we have various agencies, various ministries that are actually implementing biosafety and biosecurity to some respect. But now we want to ensure that there is some coordination between the ministries. So in that respect, you'll find that what we want really is for us to be able to coordinate these biosafety and biosecurity issues outside of the silos. We want to break down the silo mentality and ensure that as a nation, we are speaking the same language and we're moving in the same direction in terms of biosafety and biosecurity. So we want a law, if you can have laws that really speak towards all the requirements of biosafety and biosecurity, I think that would be a positive for Zimbabwe. We would also want to have biosafety and biosecurity in mainstream learning. If we could have a program at tertiary level whereby students can actually learn, if we can have a degree in biosafety and biosecurity, so that we create biosafety professionals before they actually come into the lab space or into the workspace.
The Biosafety and Biosecurity Bill is a vital piece of legislation that will protect Zimbabwe's future. Let's work together to make it a reality.